Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Yaris. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then lift the car safely using a jack and stands, and position a drain pan under the oil pan to catch the used oil before you remove the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and let the oil drain completely into the pan. Then install a new oil filter after wiping the mounting surface and applying a little fresh oil to the gasket. Finally, reinstall the drain plug to specification and ensure there are no leaks before lowering the vehicle and refilling with the correct oil grade and quantity. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for keeping oil rags and snacks tidy while you work. They seal up tight and save cleanup time. Check the description for the product link and other deals. And if you like the tip, hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the recommended oil slowly and check the dipstick often to reach the correct level. Then start the engine briefly to circulate oil and inspect under the car for any leaks. Top up as needed, and record the mileage and date for your next change while disposing of used oil and the filter at an approved recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.